Meaning of gharial.
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 Gharial. A gharial is a species of crocodile native to the Indian subcontinent. It is characterized by its long, narrow snout, which is filled with sharp teeth. Gharials are highly endangered due to habitat loss and hunting for their valuable skin. They are also important culturally, as they are considered sacred by Hindus and are often featured in ancient Indian art. Conservation efforts have been made to protect the remaining gharials, including the establishment of protected areas and breeding programs. Overall, the gharial is a fascinating and threatened species that deserves our attention and conservation efforts.